Poland has signed offset deals with Boeing and General Electric, paving way for acquisition of AH-64E Apache helicopters to boost Polish Army's capabilities. The first agreement involves the implementation of 7 offset obligations valued at over 400 million Polish zlotys, $84.5 million. This will enable Poland to develop competencies for inspections, repairs, and overhauls of selected AH-64E components. The second agreement focuses on the implementation of 6 offset liabilities, with a total value exceeding 530 million Polish zlotys, $112 million. Under this contract, Poland will gain technical maintenance skills for turboshaft engines, which are crucial for the operational readiness of the Apache helicopters. Deputy Minister Paweł Bejda emphasized the importance of these agreements for the Polish military and domestic arms industry. "I believe that this helicopter will serve the Polish Army well. Today, we are fulfilling what we promised when we took office at the Ministry of National Defense. It is crucial to remember our domestic arms industry," he stated. In August 2023, the U.S. approved a $12 billion sale to Poland for 96 AH-64E Apache helicopters and associated equipment. The package includes engines, various sensors, radar systems, 1,844 Hellfire missiles, 460 joint air-to-ground missiles, 508 Stinger missiles, and additional support. Last week, reports claimed that Boeing is expected to finalize a letter of offer and acceptance, LOA, with Poland for this deal soon.